Siri, Siton, Sitseku, Sitsuke.
वो तो सिर्फ 4 हुए. I want 5. आई क्या हुआ? Pranav, do you know all the 5? Tanishka, do you know all the 5 Japanese words? देख के बोल रही हो? अरे वाह. Okay. Siri,
Mama, I don't.
Siton, Sieso, Shiketsu, and Shitsuke. Correct. Siri matlab, what is the meaning of Siri?
Short.
Siri. Siton, Siton,
Straighten.
straighten, or what is the other word for it? Set in order. याद है last time लिखा था set in order. Yeah, and then the third one CSO मतलब shine. Shiketsu, standardize. I will explain to you what is the meaning of that word. And Shitsuke, sustain. So last time we were discussing about what are the steps that we have to involve when we have to clean a cupboard or clean a shoe rack, correct? Or maybe clean the pencil box. Pranav was cleaning the pencil box, correct? Then we pay attention to the class here, correct? Yes or no? So do you all remember what all steps went into making those things? Pranav, do you remember all the steps that you had to follow for cleaning a pencil box? Pranav, are you there? Pranav,
What?
do you remember all the steps that we had to do for you to clean your pencil box?
Ma'am. Yes. Ma'am. Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, Vihan.
Whose phone was ringing this time?
Nobody's phone was ringing. Let's focus on the class.
Okay.
Tanishka, do you remember the steps you had to involve when you had to clean up your shoe rack? Yes. Ranveer, do you remember the steps you had to follow when you had to clean up your cupboard? Okay. Today, Subhan's turn. I can hear Subhan only when everybody else is on mute. 1 minute. Yes, Subhan, tell me what you said.
Ma'am, you have said last class you will give me chance today.
Yes, I am telling that only. It is your turn today. So, your turn to do is this. Suppose you had to cook eggs. What all would you have to do? Can you tell me a few things that you would have to follow if you had to cook eggs in the kitchen? Yeah, tell me.
I will wash my hands.
Very good.
Then
Wait a minute. You would wash your hands and then?
take eggs.
From where? You would go to the hen to take the eggs?
No, first I will take eggs from plate.
Exactly. Be specific. Be specific. Everybody listen carefully. Just because your turn is over doesn't mean you will not pay attention to what your friend is saying. Everyone listen carefully. Excellent start, Subhan. Yes, you will first wash your hands. Then you will take eggs. Eggs from where? Not from the hen. You're going to go to the fridge in your kitchen. Yeah? And take eggs from there. Okay, next.
Then I will take a pan. Then I will on the gas.
So you're going to have eggs in your hand, and then you will take a pan, and in one egg hand you have eggs, the other hand you have pan, and then how will you put on the gas now?
I will first keep eggs, then take a pan.
Keep the eggs where? In your pocket? You'll put the eggs in your pocket, you'll keep it in your pocket?
No, I will keep eggs on side at my kitchen table. Then I will take a pan and I will keep it on the gas. Then I will on the gas with lighter. Then I will take a jar of the oil. Then I will pour it on the pan. Then I will take eggs, crack it. Then I will.
I am glad you said crack it and not break it. Good. You're supposed to crack the egg and pour it. Yes, good.
Then I will put it on the pan. Then after I have cracked all the eggs, I will take salt from kitchen and then I will sprinkle the salt on the eggs.
Okay.
Then I will take
After you have cracked the eggs, are the eggs being poured in the pan or is it poured in a bowl?
Not the eggshell. Eggshell, I will put it in the fridge. Then I will take a salt jar and I will sprinkle the salt on the egg. Then I will keep the salt on side. Then I will take some chili powder and I will also sprinkle that. Then I will flip my egg and let it cook. After it's cooked, I will take it and I will wash the pan.
After it is cooked, you will take it. You will take it where? On a holiday?
No, ma'am. I will take it with some utensil.
You will take, after the egg is cooked, you will put it on a plate, right?
Then I will, after putting on plate, I will keep plate on a dining table and wash the pan.
Good. Very nice. Very nice. So you gave me the entire process for cooking eggs. Okay. Now, what is the first step in the 5S process, Tanishka? 5S principle में सबसे पहला वाला step कौन सा है?
What, ma'am?
5S के principle में which is the first step?
Sort series.
Huh?
Sort series.
Series, sort. Yes. Sorting मतलब क्या है? Do you know the meaning of sort? Do you know the meaning sorting का मतलब क्या है?
Salt.
Salt. SORT का मतलब SALT हो जाएगा. Please, you're in an English medium school. I can't expect this answer from you. It's not funny also. Take out your dictionary. Take out your dictionary.
And this meaning was in my book. It was meaning to separate. Sort means.
Subhan, do you have a dictionary?
Yes.
Take out your dictionary. Look for the meaning of sort. SORT. क्या लिखा है? What is the meaning of sort? Have you found the word also?
Bye, ma'am. My child.
Oops, oops, oops. No shouting, no shouting.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Okay, welcome back. Take out your dictionary and look for the meaning of the word sort. S-O-R-T. The first step in the 5S principle. Yes, Rihan, you're showing me the meaning. Why are you on mute? Yeah, tell me.
I found the meaning of salt.
What is written?
A class or a kind.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of?
Quality type or whatever.
S-O-R-T. Sort. 5S principle में first word जो है वो sort है. उसका meaning देखो dictionary में.
SORD, sir.
प्रणव, 5S principle में first word क्या है?
Let me see, Pranav.
Aren't we doing the 5S principle? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes. I got.
Yeah. Now look for the meaning of that word in the dictionary. Ranveer, look for the meaning of that word in the dictionary. Sort.
What?
S-O-R-T. Look for the meaning of that word in the dictionary.
Ma'am is separating.
What?
Separating.
Separating. Okay. Does it say separating is the word in the dictionary?
Ma'am, one, a category of people or things with a common feature or features. Two, friendly sort. One, arrange systematically in group. Often sort something out, separate someone or something from a mixed group, deal with a problem or difficulty.
Okay.
Like
Sort it out. Sort it out is how we would use it in a sentence. Okay. So now what I'm going to tell you to do is, you know the meaning of the word sort now. It is there in your dictionary. In the next class of life skills, this is what you have to do. You have to bring with you 4 pencils, 4 pens, 4 erasers if you can. If you can, then bring some 4 brushes, paint brushes. Can you all hear me what I'm talking? Everybody can hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
Yes.
Then if you can't get 4, you can just get 2. That is also okay. If you can get 6, that is also good. Okay? So I want you all to get a bunch of things along with you. Some crayons, some pencils, some pens, some erasers, some scales.
Ma'am, I got. Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, I also got.
Okay, okay, good that everybody has got the
ma'am, I also got.
good.
Kind of variety. Ma'am,
I
kind
also
of.
got a kind of variety. Ha.
Okay, good that everybody has got the meaning of the word sort. Good. Now remember, for the next class, you have to bring along these things with you. You have to
What?
bring along with you. I will give it on WhatsApp, but listen me out carefully. No talking in between. You have to bring along with you a bunch of erasers, a bunch of pencils, bunch of pens, some scales, some crayons, some sketch pens. I want you to bring along all these things with you, and I'm going to explain the meaning to you of the word sorting. Sorting का मतलब क्या होता है? We are going to do this in the next class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are you going to send it in WhatsApp?
Didn't I say I will?
Yes.
Is it fine if we have some like big erasers and some are small?
Yes, you can do that. That's okay. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Can I take a break?
And your screen is
Yes,
frozen.
Vihan, you can take a break. Yes, go. Go, take a break. Go.
Okay, okay.
Tanishka? Tanishka? I know you were
Yes,
out of
ma'am.
network. We were looking for the meaning of the word sort. S-O-R-T. The first step in the 5S principle.
Ma'am, can I go take my food?
Tanishka, we were looking for the meaning of the word sort, and in the next class, you have to bring along with you a bunch of stationery items. Okay, I will send you the list on WhatsApp later.
Healthy snack. Monday is healthy snacks. Monday is healthy snacks.
Yes.
Man, what are you?
What?
What,
Subhan?
I am asking.
What?
I am asking Vihan what he is eating.
I'm eating cheese toast.
And Pranav, what you are
I am
eating?
eating food. Subhan, I am eating food.
Which kind of food?
Eating of methi.
Methi roti, methi chapati.
Tanishka,
Yes,
don't take so long in your snack time. Bring it fast and eat. Teacher will come now in 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I am eating cauliflower sabji and chapati.
Good, jaldi khao. You all should learn to eat fast. Don't keep chewing like tiny babies. Bite it and eat it fast.